Hey, it's Joe with Pond Country out here in Gibbonsville, North Carolina. We are starting a new, smaller project today. We are doing an Infinity 8 Pondless. The homeowner has a patio that is going to be extended, coming out from here and wrapping around. And over here is where we're going to put this pondless feature on the back side of the patio. It's a little bit custom. We are going higher on this waterfall than an Infinity 8 normally does. We're going to try and get closer to 3 foot off the back of this. So it's going to be shrunken just a little bit, but going higher. This pondless also does have a upgraded pump. We're using an SLD 9 on this to give it more flow to really come off the top fall, because they wanted a big drop at the top coming down in. Then our basin is going to be here, a custom basin using aqua blocks and a pondless vault to house the SLD 9. And then we're just going to build this berm out, rock into it, and it is going to be a beautiful accent right off this patio with full window view from the house. Really gonna make this backyard pop.
Hi guys, this is day 2, Pond Country. Right here we have a Infinity 8-foot. We did a retainer wall in the back to boost it up and make a loud noise. So here we have the vault for our pondless. It is buried about 2.5, 3 feet. We have a good break right here. This waterfall is really high up because the customer wanted it to have a really rusty, loud sound. So we put it up about 6.5 to 7 inches high to a nice peak. So it comes out rushing and peaks over and gives that crashing sound. We also changed the bottom rock. The reason why is because we didn't really have a peaking rock. We kind of had just a flat slate rock, which doesn't really give that crashing sound. So we kind of a little bit mixed it around and figured out that there was a different rock. We got it covered pretty good. It has a really nice shape to it. We had to do quite a few of these big rocks to kind of build up because it was so high. We have quite a few different creativity marks in this one. I really like it. We got mulching to do around it still left, and then this gym is completed, absolutely completed. Day 2, and we got it done.